Take 287 because I don't know how to speak. That went down the wrong way. Wow. Romanian Deadlift, RDL. I'm using a 2-inch axle. That's what I recommend in my 6-week deadlift, not a deadlift program. Why the axle? Well, it's going to make it more back dominant. It pulls your torso forward 2 inches as opposed to being more upright with a normal barbell. And it's completely dead weight. There's no whip in the bar at all. If you have access to an axle, use it. You'll get the best bang for your buck with this program. But use straps, use figure eights, don't double overhand. But I'm going to show you double overhand because I like to work my grip, and that's why I have all the world records. For my weight class. Anyways, sideways. We're starting at the top, not the bottom. If you start from the bottom, it's a stiff leg deadlift, and we are not doing that. All right, RDL, hinge at the hip, let the knees bend naturally. Stop when the hips stop going back. Boom. One more time. Boom. All right, because that was take 454, I think. My grip's tired. Anyways, I say stop when the hips stop going back because after that, pull up my trousers. Hinging at the hips, let the knees bend naturally. Boom, they stop going back there. If I go any lower, that's just my lower back moving. We don't want that, at least not for this program. That's just extra fatigue on the lower back. We're trying to build a fudging savage back, lower back rebar all through it, strong as fuck, all right? It's gonna get fatigued throughout the weeks. No need to add extra fatigue from that extra fucking 3 inches. That's gonna do jack shit, all right? We're focusing on pulling from the glutes and the hammies. And that's that. I think I said everything. If you have questions, hit me up. Not on YouTube. Well, you could comment. I may see it, but go to my Instagram, message me. I'll see it there. Yeah, that's it. All right. Excuse me. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. All right, bye.